Everything awesome is almost here. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo announced today that theme parks will be able to open under New York State guidelines, making way for the Lego Brick Road leading to LEGOLAND New York Resort in Goshen, New York. Just 60 miles away from New York City, this amazing theme park is slated to open this year with much fanfare. Construction workers tirelessly worked through this pandemic to bring LEGOLAND New York Resort to life. The opening of LEGOLAND New York Resort is promising the jobs of 1,000 model citizens. That is a lot of people and great growth for the town of Goshen. Starting March 26th, indoor amusement parks and entertainment centers can open at 25% capacity. Outdoor theme parks can reopen on April 9th at 33% capacity. Keep in mind that these openings are under guidelines to maintain social distancing, enforce mask wearing, and it includes frequent disinfecting. All of this and more to ensure that the COVID-19 stays at bay, under control, allowing for New Yorkers and future LEGOLAND guests to go back to normal pre-COVID times. Let's hope and pray. LEGOLAND New York Resort will feature 7 LEGO-themed lands like Ninja Go, LEGO Friends, LEGO Castle, and more. The global debut of the LEGO Factory Adventure Ride will be a great attraction to make this grand opening a blast. Are you totally ready for this, guys? I am. I cannot wait to take my family and my friends to LEGOLAND New York Resort. This is going to be amazing. Check out my blog at playliverepeat.com for more information and more guidelines, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more information about LEGOLAND New York Resort and more LEGO-themed news. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Big thank you to LEGOLAND New York Resort for sharing this news with me.